Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group 2 English for Business. We will present to you about duties of accountant. Before we start, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad Yusuf, NPM 022121132.
Hello, my name is Fatineka Adriani, NPM 022121145.
Hello, my name is Nabila Putri Baisuni. My NPM 022121148.
Hello, my name is Intan Roma, NPM 022121158.
Hello, my name is Ayuka Nusantara, and my NPM is 022121162. We'll speak two languages in this video, so we hope you get it.
What is an accountant? An accountant is a professional who is responsible for keeping and interpreting financial records. Most accountants are responsible for a wide range of finance-related tasks, either for individual clients or for larger business and organization employing them. Jadi, seorang akuntan bertanggung jawab atas berbagai tugas yang berhubungan dengan keuangan, baik untuk klien, individu, ataupun untuk bisnis dan organisasi yang lebih besar yang memperkerjakan mereka. Accountant and bookkeepers are phrases that are sometimes used interchangeably, yet there are several key differences between these job titles. Typically, bookkeepers will have earned at least an associate degree and focus on recording financial transactions. Accountant, in the other hand, will have typically earned at least a bachelor's degree in accounting and are tasked with interpreting financial information rather than simply gathering it. Terkadang agak sulit membedakan akuntan dengan orang yang melakukan pembukuan. Pembukuan umumnya bisa dilakukan oleh siapa saja tanpa gelar, sedangkan akuntan setidaknya bergelar sarjana dalam bidang akuntansi dan ditugaskan untuk menafsirkan laporan keuangan, bukan hanya mengumpulkannya. In short, accounting can be bookkeepers, but not all bookkeepers are accountants. CPA, additionally, a certified public accountant, CPA, is an accountant who has passed the CPA exam and has met state licensing requirements. So, all CPA are accountants, but not all accountants are CPA. CPA merupakan program pengembangan profesi bagi akuntan yang diselenggarakan oleh Institut Akuntan Publik Indonesia (IAPI). Sertifikasi ini ditunjukkan bagi mereka yang ingin meningkatkan kompetensi dan mendapatkan izin menjadi akuntan publik.
Roles and responsibility. Although the daily duties of an accountant will vary by position and organization, some of the most common tasks or responsibilities of accountant include ensuring the accuracy of financial documents as well as their compliance with relevant laws and regulations. Itu memastikan keakuratan dokumen keuangan serta kepatuhannya terhadap hukum dan peraturan yang berlaku. Preparing and maintaining important financial reports. Preparing tax return and ensuring that tax are paid properly and on time. Itu memastikan bahwa pajak dibayar benar dan tepat waktu. Evaluating financial operation of recommend best practice, identify issues and strategic solution, and help organization run efficiently. Itu menyusun strategi solusi dan membantu organisasi berjalan dengan baik. Offering guidance on cost reduction and profit maximization. Menawarkan panduan tentang pengurangan biaya, peningkatan pendapatan, dan maksimalisasi keuntungan. Conducting forecasting and risk analysis assessment. Itu melakukan perkiraan dan analisis risiko. Important skills. There are several skills that all accountants need in order to be successful in their roles. Some of the most important skills for accountant are attention to detail, yaitu teliti dan mendetail. With the amount of financial data that must be analyzed in, it can be easy to make mistake. However, simple errors can translate into much larger problem if they are not caught. Business acumen, memiliki dasar bisnis yang kuat. Having a solid foundation in business provides context to the financial information that accountant work with on a daily basis. Computer literacy, professionals in this field need to be able to use advanced accounting software and other computer-based tools to work effectively. Harus dapat menggunakan perangkat lunak, akuntansi yang canggih, dan alat berbasis komputer lainnya. Analytical skills. In fact, applying data analytics to the accounting file is an emerging trend in the industry that is expected to have a growing impact in the future. Dapat menganalisis data keuangan dan diharapkan bisa membuat perusahaan dapat berkembang dengan baik di masa depan. Communication skills. Accountant must be able to listen carefully in order to accurately gather facts and figures from client, manager, and other stakeholders. Mengumpulkan fakta dan angka secara akurat dari klien, manajer, atau pemangku kepentingan lainnya. Mathematical skills. It is true that math skills are important to analyze, compare, and interpret data and figures. Keterampilan matematika yang dipakai cenderung keterampilan dasar dan tidak kompleks.
Variety of expertise. A person with an accounting profession has variety of expertise, which is cost accounting atau akuntansi biaya, the auditor, accounting system, financial accounting atau akuntansi keuangan, accounting teori akuntansi, management information system atau akuntansi manajemen, dan taxation atau perpajakan. Accountant's code. Accountant have a code of ethics that runs its course. This code is composed by Ikatan Akuntansi Indonesia that guides an accountant in business. The ethical code devised by IAI is professional responsibility, always using moral and professional consideration in all activities undertaken. Selalu menggunakan pertimbangan moral dan profesional dalam semua kegiatan yang dilakukan. Number 2, public interest. All action required are within the framework of public service, public trust, and show commitment to professionalism. Semua tindakan wajib berada dalam kerangka pelayanan publik, kepercayaan publik, dan menunjukkan komitmen atas profesionalisme. Number 3, integrity. In order to maintain all increased public trust, must fulfill his professional responsibility with high integrity. memenuhi tanggung jawab profesionalnya dengan integritas tinggi. Number 4, objectivity. All calculating and processing activity must keep objective, neutral, and unaffected by interest. Harus menjaga objektivitas, netral, dan tidak terpengaruh kepentingan tertentu. Number 5, competence and discretion. Number 6, secrecy and keeping the information obtained during calculation and processing. Merahasiakan dan menjaga informasi yang diperoleh. Number 7, technical standards. Performing services according to current technical standards and professional standards. Sesuai dengan standar teknis dan standar profesional yang berlaku.
Accountant types atau jenis akuntan. Number 1, the corporate accountant. Akuntansi perusahaan. A corporate accountant is an accountant who dedicates himself or works for an organization or a company. Among the things that corporate accountants must do is create a company budget, develop accounting reports for individuals outside the company, develop accounting systems, and manage tax problems. Akuntansi perusahaan menyusun anggaran perusahaan, menyusun laporan akuntansi permasalahan pajak perusahaan. Number 2, public accountant atau public accountancy. An accountant who serves people in the public sphere and is currently in need of accounting service. Among the jobs that public accountants must do is check financial statements, establish independent accounting system, and other service. Akuntan publik melayani masyarakat dalam lingkup publik dan sedang memperlakukan jasa akuntan. Number 3, government accountant, akuntansi pemerintah. An accountant who works for the government corporation. Generally, government accountant work to check and oversee the flow of state finance and to design accounting system aimed at the government. Biasanya, akuntan pemerintah bekerja untuk memeriksa dan mengawasi aliran keuangan negara dan membuat rancangan sistem akuntansi tertuju untuk pemerintah.
Educator accountant. In accountant who works in the institution of education. Some of the tasks that shall be carried out by educator are to make and design accounting education curriculum, teach accounting, and do research in accounting. Beberapa tugas yang harus dilaksanain akuntan pendidikan antara lain adalah membuat dan merancang kurikulum pendidikan akuntansi, mengajar akuntansi, dan melakukan penelitian di bidang ilmu akuntansi. Tax accountant, an accountant who focus on the company records and tax record. His job was to arrange the finance that will be referred to the Directorate General of Tax. Akuntan pajak berfokus pada pencatatan dan pembukuan pajak perusahaan. Tugasnya ialah mengatur keuangan yang akan dilaporkan ke Direktorat Jenderal Pajak. Islamic accountant. Syariah accountant generally employed in a company based on Islamic law. Because it measures Sharia, the standard of works conforms to Sharia accounting standard and also adheres to MUI decision. Islamic accountants are very new and still very rare in Indonesia. Akuntan syariah terbilang sangat baru dan masih jarang ditemukan di Indonesia.
That's a few things you should know about accountants. In formulating financial statements, an accountant is very much needed by a company. Besides compiling, reading financial statements is so important that companies can determine what to do next. Thank you for your attention. We apologize if there are many errors. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.